Hello, we're going to be looking at the Allett C34 and how to replace the belts for the rear roller drive. First, you're going to remove the top guard. Next, we need to remove this chain coupling just here, which links the engine to the drive system of the machine. That's done with a conventional chain link, and it can be tricky to get into, but it's perfectly possible. Using long nose pliers. Next, from the rear of the machine, we need to just loosen this and remove this one bolt from the guard. 13mm spanner. Next, I'm going to remove the 4 bolts from the engine. So now that we've done this, what we're able to do, we have the freedom with the cable, is I'm now able to just move the engine across the side, which will allow these belts to go through the casing. So I can now release them from the shaft and from that idler. Then we need to release the belts from the large pulley that takes the lay shaft through to the rear roller drive. And those can just squeeze through the casing to remove the belts. And there are the belts removed. Again, these should be in match pairs, and the batch numbers are on these belts to make sure that when you come to replace them, that they are match pairs. So when we come to replace these, we're going to follow the process in exactly the reverse way. Replace the belts. So once I've got this back roughly in the right location, I can find the screw holes, remembering that I use these little 3mm razor plates as well, so I need to just locate those. So the 4 engine bolts with the spacers underneath the engine are in location, but they're not tightened down yet. I need to check before I tighten the engine down that I've got alignment between this front pulley and the rear pulley. So that's about right. And then I'm also going to install the chain coupling, and that will just give me a good idea on my distances and that everything is squared up as well. Okay. And now that I've got everything lined up with the coupling and the pulleys, so I know the engine's in the right location, I'm just going to tighten down diagonal engine mounting bolts. So once the 4 engine bolts are tightened down, I'm happy with the squareness. I've even pulled the engine coil start just to make sure that when that shaft rotates that the chain coupling is comfortable. And now I just need to fasten the guards down that go around the V-belt drive.